Hey, I don't know the lyrics, so I will use this. Hope you enjoy it. I fall in my heart, and as if I used to claim it. It was dark, and now it's over, until you kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak. Held in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say that were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch your voice, I touch your face. While I burn, while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. When I lay, I wish you I could stay there, close my hands to you forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause that side to you that I never knew all the things you say that were never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it fall as I touch the face. While it burned, while I cried, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. And I don't do the rest, because I'm lazy. So yay! Peace out!